Say hi, Mommy. See, Mommy, this is yummy. And I'm taking 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. Oops. Good girl. Good girl. You want some water, Chloe?
Molly, wait.
Look at her drink this water. Look, she actually likes it. Good girl. Good, Chloe. Tip it a little bit.
Judy's opening his mouth already.
Good,
Say,
good.
Good boy. You like it?
I'm such a ham on camera. And Molly's eating.
Can I say hi, Mommy?
Here, Chloe. Open up, sweetheart.
You want a drink? You want to try a drink?
She's such a little munchkin with the water. Here, Chloe, just turn it this way. Huh? Good girl. She really has the hang of this one. Wow.
She holds it herself.
Hold it, Chloe. She just can't quite tip it enough. Good girl. Oops.
Good, Chloe.
Good girl.
And you have oatmeal all over your head. On your head.
Yay, we're gonna have a bath and shampoo. You want a finger paint with your oatmeal?